I didn't quit DoorDash. I upgraded it by doing these short in-store test apps for extra money in between DoorDash orders. In this video, I'm going to show you which apps will work for which situations and how to make the most money while you're already out there. So DoorDash is a great high-paying side hustle, but a lot of times, especially where I am, which isn't the most busy area, there is a lot of time where you're just sitting in the parking lot waiting for orders. So why not just turn that into money? Well, with this app, you can. This app is called Survey Merchandiser. This is an in-store task app. And this was the first one that I tried to make money in between DoorDash orders. So if you look at the map view, it looks pretty good. There'll be all of these prices at these different places. So this one is at Walmart. How many times did you find yourself sitting in a Walmart parking lot waiting for a Spark order, waiting for a shop and deliver, or just waiting for another order? Well, now you could go into this store and make $6 for taking pictures. It'll be really quick, probably only take about 10 to 15 minutes, and you're just going to collect pictures with your phone. Over time, you'll get better at taking these pictures. Most of these apps I'm going to talk about, well, all of these apps that I'm going to talk about involve taking pictures inside stores. But the reason why I wouldn't start with Survey Merchandiser is because most of them are going to be more involved than just going in than taking pictures. So like this one. So this one is like a sign placement. So you're going to have to get a shipment shipped to your house and then go up there, go to the store and set up the sign. So this one doesn't really work for doing in between DoorDash orders because you're going to have to reserve it, order it, have it shipped to your house, and then go there and then work with the management of the store. So only do the photo collection audits. This app is a little bit different. Just be careful if you reserve any of these gigs, make sure that you're actually going to do them, because now if I go to my profile, my reliability is 1.5. So if your reliability score gets under, I think 2.5%, even if I wanted to do this job and I went to go claim it, it says requested. It says my rating is too low. Your request has been submitted and someone has to get back to you. So I kind of screwed myself out of this app, but you guys are starting fresh. So definitely check out Survey Merchandiser when DoorDash is a little bit slow. But this next one, I guarantee you in your area, you can make money today with the app Field Agent. I was out today. Today I am filming this on the 10th. Let's see what I did today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5 of these gigs today. Yeah, they only paid $3, but these were on my way. I was already passing these, either dropping off a DoorDash order and I ended up in this area, or I was passing right by on my way to a busy area or something like that. Or if there's no orders in DoorDash or Uber Eats, I'll just set my GPS to the closest one of these, head there. If I get there, I'll do it. If I get like a $10 delivery order, I'm going to take that and not go to the $3 one. So this one was for pears. Literally all I had to do was walk in to Publix, snap one picture of the pears. That's it, and walk out. Super easy. And in that Publix, there was a lot of restaurants. There was a pizza place, Chinese place, Jimmy John's. So by the time I went out of there, I got another DoorDash order. And then these ones, there was 2 of them at the same place, in the same aisle at BJ's. So I made $6 at one stop in BJ's, and that one was also by a Culver's and a lot of other busy restaurants that I was going to be in that area anyway. So how this works is you have a map, you press search the area, and then all these pins will drop down. If the pin says 1, that means there's 1 gig there. If the pin says 2, that means there's 2 gigs. So this Costco, you can make $6. You see one that you like, or you see one in your area that you usually deliver in, you could reserve it. So this one, $12. Not all of them are $3. Some go all the way up to $20. This is 30 pictures, 1 question. Would probably take about 10 minutes to make $12. When you accept it, you'll have 4 hours. So if you know you're door dashing for like 5 hours, 4 hours, before you leave or while you're waiting for orders in the store, refresh this app. Reserve these so they're there. You don't have to do them. This app, nothing happens if you don't do them. But if you're slow, if you're passing by, if you end up in the area, you could do them and make some extra money. How much money can you make doing this? So today is the 10th, only 1 month and 10 days into the year, I made close to $1,000 with this app. And once you do it, it takes a couple of hours to a couple of days to get approved. Real people have to approve them. So if you do it like on a Sunday when no one's working at their office in that time zone, then it's not going to get approved. But if you do it like business hours, like I did today, they get approved within a couple of hours. So once they'll be in your earnings, and then you cash out, money's in your bank account, regular direct deposit transfer. You're just going to have to take pictures. You're not going to have to talk to the staff. You're not going to have to deliver anything. So it's perfect for in-between delivery orders. The next one is very similar, but very different. Similar in what you're going to have to do, how you find the jobs. There's a map. You find the jobs that you want to do, or you could open it for a list view. So this one, $3 Fresh Market. I do shop and delivers at this Fresh Market almost every day for Uber. So these ones you can't reserve. That's one of the biggest difference between Mobee and Field Agent. And then these ones you get paid in gift cards. So it's not cash, but they have gift cards for basically anything. Target, Walmart, Amazon, Visa. You're going to spend money at Amazon. You could spend a Visa anywhere. Give your wife the Target gift card. My wife is really good at spending those ones. And I've cashed out a lot. I do these almost every day. I could cash out $41 worth of gift cards. I've done 488 gigs. So the gift card doesn't make the biggest difference, but not being able to reserve is annoying because you could actually show up to the store and have it disappeared. The most popular one that you'll probably see is going to be this one, Show Me the Honey. You just take a picture of the honey, scan it, take a picture of the back. It's kind of tedious, but it's really easy. It takes like 10 minutes. At the Fresh Market, at supermarkets, there's going to be 20 plus honey products. But if you do this at Family Dollar, Sam's Club, or CVS, there'll be like 1 or 2 honey products, and it'll be like in and out. Super easy. But if there's 20 plus, it does take a little bit. And then there's also going to be seasonal ones. So right now, Be Mine, that's for Valentine's Day, Christmas, any type of holiday coming out. This gig will be super busy. Every day, you'll be able to do a couple of these in between your route. You do Walmart Spark, you're in this Walmart parking lot. Why not go in and make some extra money? Bringing me to the last app is Observa. I'm not going to talk too much about it. There hasn't been a lot within 50 miles of where I live, and a lot of people have commented on my other videos that they just don't see a lot of gigs. But I've done some. I've done a bunch of these, and as you see, this pays like 5 times as much as Field Agent or Mobee, so it's worth downloading it. And if you see an audit, kids snack audit, do it. If you see a alcohol photo audit, do it. Just don't. I wouldn't recommend, especially when you're first starting out or if you're doing it in between DoorDash and Uber Eats orders, is these like shelf management, because you will have to speak with the manager or an employee. So it doesn't really work for going right in and right out of the store to make money while you're doing deliveries. But it is good to have. And if you find those alcohol ones there, it's just basically like free money because it's super easy and really high paying. Now, the bonus one that I'm going to give you is Shopkicks. This one, it gives you points for doing various different things, but the way I use it is to get points for walking into the stores. So like this one, CVS. You're doing a gig for Field Agent Mobee at CVS. You're picking up a shop and deliver. I do shop and deliver CVS, Walgreens all the time. You could get 10 points just for walking in, just for walking into Walmart. You don't even have to go in the store. If you just open this app while you're driving past the store to pick up from a different restaurant, then you could get these kicks just for walking in. So this is a perfect companion for doing food delivery and doing the gig apps that I told you about. And then you could cash these out for gift cards. It does take a while for it to build up, but literally you're just walking in the store anyway. So click the link down below to get the recommended for these recommended apps and start making money today.